What is going on, my dudes? Now, I hope you guys are having a great day and picked yourself up a fresh burrito to put in a gaming session. But one of the problems with folding phones is that a lot of games you try to play on them from the Play Store that are popular end up looking like crap because they might not fit the screen correctly or just aren't optimized to work well on big folding phones. And sadly, that is the case with a lot of games right now. However, I have 5 games that play and look absolutely amazing on any folding phone. Those include the Z Fold series, the Pixel Fold, or the OnePlus Open. Plus, all of these games are currently free to download. The first game I will be getting into is Demon Hunter, which is an awesome hack and slash, followed by Shadow Fight 4, Xenowork, Zombie Apocalypse, and none other than the original Sonic the Hedgehog 2. I will be spending a few minutes playing each game, and if you guys could do me a solid, please tap the like on this one. You can also get on our tech newsletter where we send out 1 email a week on tech updates as well. For now, let's freaking run it. wanted to recommend you guys check out Ignition Poker. You know, I think most of us enjoy playing poker in our free time, and this is a great place to do just that. I've currently been playing on Ignition for the last 7 years and regularly tear things up at the mid-stake games. They've got amazing software for playing on your phone or PC and also offer you the ability to play both free and real money games. And with lots of cash games running 24 hours a day and millions of dollars in monthly tournament prizes, you should be asking yourself, what am I doing here? I need to check out Ignition Poker ASAP. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about them, there will be some bonus and resource links for them directly below in the description of this video.